Hey guys, so we are back and we are going to try to get through some videos that we've been putting off because of somebody.
This guy. This is your girls?
Yeah, this is a girls. We're going to do Beep Beep. It's a Japanese one. They released half, I don't think it was half of the video like months ago, and then they refused to release the other ones until they sold the album. Like it was on the album. Like,
okay.
Sons of bitches. So this is finally the rest of it. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and start it. Okay. Hopefully, again, my computer works and doesn't mess up.
Someone has a virus protection inside of you.
It has virus protection. It just sucks.
Well, buy a good one.
Well, maybe if I had money, I would. Waiting for Norton to get on Groupon, okay? Norton's not cheap.
All the things you buy, you're not gonna spend money on virus protection.
Not if we can get it for cheap if it gets back on Groupon. It's gonna be back on there in like a few days.
We're starting it.
Nah.
This is cute.
It's very colorful.
I see that. I loved the blue outfit.
Can I have a giant pink phone?
Yes.
Oh.
Every time I see them, they seem to be getting prettier and prettier. Like they seem to Sunny seems to be getting slimmer each time, and
What's your favorite? I love Yuna.
You're gonna get hate now if you keep continuing.
We don't hide anything.
We don't. I don't.
They don't like Yuna.
I don't think Yuna should be the face. I'm sorry, but she's not good enough to be the face.
See, this was like this is on there. I've never seen any of this.
Oh. I like the giant cup.
Colorful.
It is. It's very bright, like in your face.
There's so much going on.
All at once.
Oh, cherry. See, my phone was out of service, and they're all trying to call me, and then I didn't pay the bill, so I couldn't get through. Hyoyeon looks amazing.
She does. Like, I'm loving the outfit. The yellow shorts are adorable. I think Sunny looks really good in hers too. I feel like Yuri's. I think Yuri's is super cute as well. They all look awesome in those outfits. I love the play around outfits. I don't know what they're playing around, but So
that was very cute.
It was very adorable.
Cutesy and very back to the.
It's so bright. Puts a lot of light on me. I think it does that. Anyways. I like that.
I am going to watch the shit
over and over and over.
I mean,
again.
like before I go to sleep, I'll watch it about 20 times.
Cause you're ridiculous like that.
I mean, I watched the first little clip that they released. I don't know how many times I watched that. I mean, it was just so it was just so like, it was so Girls' Generation. It was just so took me back to O.
Song. That is my favorite song by them. Not in general, by them. I had to have that to upset you some.
Hmm?
Nothing. Didn't say anything.
Anyways. So I get that.
We didn't bring cheese!
Because you're mad at cheese.
Oh, that's right, I'm mad at cheese. I forgot. I'm mad at cheese.
I was gonna get him, but you're mad at him. So
I'm mad at him. He deserves me to be mad at him.
Maybe I shouldn't.
What? Anyways, I enjoyed it. It wasn't life-changing in any way, but it was very adorable, and they all looked amazing in it.
My life will never be the same.
Ever.
Ever.
It'll never be the same.
Ever. It's changed me completely. I'm a whole new man now.
Sorry, I heard man.
Good one. I'm not even mad. Who's that? Oh, stupid ads. That's why I need the virus. My YouTube is full of ads now.
Sounds alright.
Say how many cheeses?
I don't know. I don't know, honestly. I can't. It wasn't a great video, but it was
really good though.
Yeah, it was good and it was cute, so I wouldn't. I mean, it's not like an 8 or a 9, but then it's not a bad video at all, though. It's not a bad video to me at all, so I'm really not sure how I would rate it. Because I liked it. It just wasn't, like, life-changing. It wasn't like, oh my god, this was so great.
Even though it was.
It was good.
I give it a 9.
Conceded to that. Then we'll stick with the 9. I'm looking at you in the camera. Stop that. Okay, so 9. That's what we're.
I loved all the little close-ups of my wife.
It was pretty adorable. The giant pink cup, Yuna had it, right?
I don't know. I don't remember.
I think it was.
There's
Yuna.
so much going on. I don't know.
There was so much going on. The giant pink cup was awesome. I want one.
I want the giant phone. What does it say right there?
Just in the corner.
It's in the corner.
What
It's
are
a giant pink phone. What if it was like a chair? Like the phone was like flipped and you could like lay in it?
Oh my god, that'd be awesome.
Awesome.
That would be amazing. And then you could just have your giant pink cup sitting on your lap. Everything about that. We need to make this happen.
Filled with gummy bears.
I'm not a fan of gummy bears.
It's not your cup.
It is my cup.
It's in my room.
But it's my cup.
I want gummy bears.
Well, you're not getting gummy bears. Okay, that's it.
Why did you say such a thing?
9 is what we're sticking with.
I'm gonna knock your glasses off.
You better not.
Anyways, I think we're gonna do Tiara next. Tiara, do you remember me? I think it's called.
Alright.
Huh. Yes, do you remember me? So we're gonna do that one next. So yeah, bye.
Bye.